Hello, my name is Josephine, and today I'm going to show you how to make labels in your Word document. When you click on your Word, you're going to come over here and you're going to click on New. And then you're going to click here on Blank Document, and that brings this up. After that, you're going to click on Mailings. Then you're going to go to your left and you're going to click on Labels. This pop-up shows up here. And right here it says label. Avery US letter 5160 Easy Peel. The 5160 is the number that was on the package of the labels, and you can buy your labels wherever you want. When you're looking for the number on your labels, it might be a different number. You have to scroll down and find that number, and then you'll click on it and this will show up here. On the package I'm going to use, it's 5160. So then it says over here where it says print, you're going to print a full page of the same label. And then you're going to click here on new document. This shows up. Now you're going to come over here and change the font. I like using this Comic Sans. And then I want the letters to be pretty big so the kids can see their name pretty well. So 36 I think is a good number. We'll find out. I'm just going to use my son's name. And after you're done typing that in, there's this little arrow here, and you're going to click on that, and it highlights the name. So you're going to come over here, and you're going to click over here, and you're going to push Control V on your keyboard, and that pastes right there. Then from there you can change whatever next the kid. I'm going to use my other son's name here. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to see a little black arrow. It highlights it. Come to the next one over here. Control V. There you go. I'm going to type in my sister's name. And then you can just go on and on with all the kids in your class. Once you're done with that, you're going to come over here to File. And you're going to click on Print. And that should print them off. And there you have it. That's how you make labels. Thanks for listening. Have a good evening.